Why choose your local Acura dealership? Genuine Acura Parts. Genuine Acura parts are designed and tested specifically for your Acura vehicle. Unlike some aftermarket parts, you can be confident that genuine Acura parts will keep your Acura performing the way it was designed to. Quality. Acura certified technicians are specialists who work and train exclusively with Acura vehicles like yours. When you visit an Acura dealership, you know you're in expert hands. Convenience. Your time is valuable, and we strive to make service appointments as efficient as possible. Our highly trained technicians not only complete your planned maintenance, but also perform a thorough inspection of critical areas. Competitiveness. Consider the real cost of servicing your vehicle. Our expert Acura technicians ensure that your visit is easy, convenient, enjoyable, and efficient. Maintenance Minder. We know each driver and driving style is unique, so why go in for maintenance at the same time? Our Maintenance Minder system ensures that you only come in when you need to. Visit your local Acura dealership to learn more.